All right, this is crazy. Scoob here. I think this is going to be crazy, and I want to film it to show you guys. Scoob here from More Flow, Less Friction Marketing, Scoob Leo Marketing. And I'm going to show you something I just thought of in my head off a prompt I seen. I actually got to bring that up. This is just always off the rip. I just think of these ideas. So I got to bring up the Google Doc. Let's bring up the Google Doc, and let's see what we can pull off here. So here's my idea. I work with Go High Level. Within Go High Level, I help people build one-page sales funnels, Facebook ads that go along with them. And when you do that, we create a power offer, power content that builds an audience fast. And then with that audience, we can retarget to. And then the retargeting, that's where the real freaking money made. That people don't understand. If you're going to a cold audience, you got to warm them up. And then once you warm them up through some videos or some calls or some low ticket offers, you can then retarget them through a Facebook ad system I have that gets them that shows them your stuff again. And now most all sales are made in the follow up because these people are asking, do I know, like, and trust this person? How can they help me? Can they Can they solve my problem? Right? Do they have the solvable problem? Can they take me from this side of the bridge to this side where it's dark over here and light over here? Right? And you have to pull all that off. And I have a system that does that very fast, and it's done with flow. Real simple systems. You don't need all this crazy stuff. But I'm going to show an idea that I just want to show right here, an idea I come up with, and how quickly. Let's see if I can build this right really quickly, and I can do this for you as well. And but I'm like a doctor. I do this, and I'm very good at it, and I'm able to build an audience, and then do the retargeting. And so I charge a premium price for that. I'm just going to be honest. It's freaking awesome. And you get to work with me one on one, and you get to be with me, not this some course, not something where like, oh, you get to go through it. You never even have contact with me. This is done with me one on one. And you're going to see the pricing right here. If you're interested in that, hit me up. But I'm going to try to build this for myself really quick to give you an idea. If you want to do it yourself, just go do it. All right. Okay. So I use Go High Level. I love freaking Go High Level. It's so freaking awesome. Go High Level. I've been through them all. Everyone, Samcart, which totally sucks. Don't use them. They're just. I'll tell you a story about them if you want to know later. Ask me. Once you're working with me, I'll tell you all about it. And Kajabi, ClickFunnels, they're not bad, but this one is all around the best one because Go High Level does it all. You can literally have it all under one house. It's so freaking awesome. It works so freaking well, and you can literally get it for $97 a month. So if you also want this, reach out to me. I have a program where I give you all the scripts, content. You get it for $97 a month. You actually I build your site on here for you. You'll have it up and running. Plus, with all my scripts to get conversions and sales and Facebook ads. It's freaking awesome. 97 bucks a month. Hit me up. You can have it. Okay, so here's my idea. So my idea is this. I'm going to take this one prompt and this copy I got right now. I'm going to copy it in here that I made through ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask it. I'm going to put this copy in here. So here's my system right here. Ready? We got three systems. The AI powered funnel, Go High Level System Offer, Tier 1 package for 2K. What it does, what it builds. Okay, Tier 2, three AI powered videos for social promotion, lead generation, lead capture, uh, automation, full high level, blah 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 blah. Has all this stuff. This is stuff you can, if you want this, I'll do it for you completely. It's kind of a contradiction because you're going to see right here how quickly I can build this, but it's not about that. What it's really about is when you get conversion, it's not how quickly you could build the site. That's not what it's about. It's right here in this right here. When you are making these three AI powered videos, right? We're going to use AI to help build them quickly, but it's the key to be human in these videos. And I have the scripts, the power offers, the power content scripts, the things that make it convert, right? Under for you and what you do and your uniqueness, and we discover that and we build a product around that. That's what makes this awesome. When we find the solvable problem and for your audience, what it is that they need help with, and that you can help them. And that doesn't matter what you do. That can be gardening, learn to play guitar. It doesn't matter. Okay, we find what that is, and if you're passionate about it, we'll find how you can help people. And that's the key to this. That's the key to my coaching. And that's the key to these prices, right? Um, it's like I think it was Da Vinci one time said he asked somebody kept I'm kind of just going loosely on this, so I might not hit it perfect, but the person asked him draw me a picture, a portrait. He drew it really in like 2 minutes, and they were like, and he was like, now it's $20,000, and they said, what? You literally drew that or painted that in like 5 minutes, $20,000? And Da Vinci said, it's not that it's the 30 years leading up to this point that taught me everything I know to look at you and capture you. That's what you're paying for. Not right now that it only took me 5 minutes. See, that's the key to all this, right? And that's the key to go buy another course if you want to and figure out how to do this, or get your business up and running, or your business you already have running. If you're a local business and you're a local business around here, like a dentist or a plumber or a roofer, I can show you how to do this very quickly and help you blow yourselves up with this, what I call the one-page sales funnel, and allows you to build a big audience. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see how this is done. So here we go. I'm going to give ChatGPT this, and then I'm going to give him this. I like this photo. I'm going to take this photo here. Let me see. The photo is actually over here. I'm going to take this photo, put it in there. I'm going to take this prompt that I have here, which I have tons of prompts that I can give you. So just reach out to me, and we're going to type this instruction: generate a web page that looks, and we're going to get it in HTML. Okay, so we're going to take this prompt right here. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to pull it down here. We're going to get to the bottom here. And whoops, where are we at? Oh crap! I think I just messed it up. It should be all right. We'll just go like this. Put the prompt in. We're going to take that out because we don't need that. Code it in HTML. I'm gonna speak to it here real quick. I'm just gonna get rid of this. I didn't really need that prompt. I mean, so I could have just typed that in or said that. But here, I'll show you how I'm gonna say it right here. I don't know why this is being weird. Like it's down far. I can hit my microphone here. Okay, so what I want you to do is take this prompt, ChatGPT, and I want you to build around this prompt in my 3 tiers here. And then this image, I do not want the image. I just want you to use the image as a reference. That lady that's in the background of this image, I don't want that there. I just want you to take this image and use it as a framework to build me a website around the prompt that I gave you here, around the copy and paste of the 3 tiers that I gave you. And what I'm going to do, and I want to build a website around that I can then send out to a one-page website. I'm sorry, let me go back. A one-page sales funnel. And I want you to build that one-page sales funnel so where then I can run traffic to it and get people to buy one of my tiers and help them build their one-page sales funnels for marketers, entrepreneurs, and local businesses based around everything I gave you here. Write me that code for that. Thank you. I don't know why I said thank you. And I have a tendency to say too much sometimes, but we'll see. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if the prompt's still in there. Okay, we got the prompt in there, all the levels. So let's see, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Rock and roll. Boom. Let's see what happens here. And then I'm going to show you how quickly we can take this. We're going to go high level here. We're going to go to, as it's building that, we're going to go to sites. We're going to go new funnel. Let's just come up with something. We can actually ask ChatGPT to name this, so we'll come back. Okay, it's writing the code. We're going to let it write the code. I'll pause this for a minute and then I'll come back to it. Okay, it write the code. We're done with the code. Let's copy the code. Let's just see how this turns out. I have no idea. Um, but this is how powerful this is. This is why I'm making this video. And I want to show you this. We can get this figured out and worked out pretty quickly. So we're going to create the funnel. Actually, we're going to ask ChatGPT to name it really quick. Name this funnel. See what they come up with. Thinking. Flow Engine AI Funnel System. Frictionless Funnel Forge. Trust Funnel Pro. Flow Igniter Funnel. Dominate on the lean, more flow growth machine. Let's just call it the Flow Engine AI Funnel. Let's go with that. Okay, so we'll go with that. We'll put that in there. Boom. Create. I forgot I didn't put the little video of me. Crap. Here, you want to see me? We can open that up real quick, I think. Here we go. Come on, fire up, baby. There we go. What's up, everybody? Okay, so we're going to add a new step. We're going to name the funnel. Same thing. We're going to create the step. So I can, yeah, I'm telling you, this Go High level is amazing. You guys got to get it, honestly. So we're going to go create from blank. Jeez, I can't talk. Come on. Load, baby, load. I'm not editing this, so sorry. You're going to have to sit through some of this, like little pauses and stuff. I did pause that video. It only took a couple minutes for that code to be written. So we're going to go one column. We're going to go add. We're going to go code. We're going to add the code. We're going to go open the code element. Jeez, I can't talk. We're going to go back to here, to the funnel. I need to copy the code again. So we go back up, and we copy code right here. Here we go. The code's copied. Let's see what happens here. Boom, we're going to copy the code here. Control V. That is not right. It didn't copy the code. Go back to here. Come on. Come on, baby. Quit being slow. Man, this thing's on such a lag. I apologize for that. I'm gonna get rid of that. You kidding me? What the heck? So we're gonna refresh this really quick. Come on. Okay, so now we're gonna copy this code. Code copied. We're gonna go back over here. We're gonna paste this code into here. There's the code. We're gonna save it. All right, let's see what it did. Just off of that simple prompt that I showed you. Nothing crazy. We're gonna save it. And we are going to take a look at this baby. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at this. Oh my gosh. I help driven entrepreneurs dominate their market online. Launch a high converting one page funnel in days, not weeks. Capture leads, books, calls, and follow up automatically with an AI powered content and go high level automations. Done with you. You bring the offer. We build the engine. Clean, simple, fast. See packages, how it works. Pick your package. Starter 2000. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is crazy. It's done. Built with love, speed, and zero fluff. I freaking love it. Look at this. Boom. It's freaking awesome. It's done. I mean, that's how quick you can do this right now. Right? So, like, take this and prompt it and go do this yourself. If you want the prompt, drop a comment below, emoji below, something one time, and I'll send this over to you. And you can do it for yourself. But the key is, if you want one of these packages, here they are. Here goes my little cell, and you want to do this on Go High Level, if you're brand new, you don't have Go High Level, $97 a month. I'll give you all my scripts, everything, and I'll coach you with it. That's $97 a month. That's you have Go High Level. That's everything you need within Go High Level right here. You don't need anything else. You can collect emails, create your one-page sales funnels, create your offers, collect the money within there, create courses, create products, everything for $97 a month. And then to build the packages out, we'll go into a coaching call and we'll do this, the starter package. It's just a one custom one page sales funnel, one AI powered video for social promotion, which I'll give you the scripts. We'll promote that to make it look good. You can do this direct to camera. Lead capture setup. So we'll have a lead capture so we catch all the emails with that. Go high level integration, funnel testing and launch. We'll test this and launch it. Um, like you said, done in days, like you just seen, instead of weeks, $2,000. And I do have a payment plan on this, which I'll add in here. And then we just go to tier 2. It just ups the value on it, right? We'll do three of these videos, and I do need to add in here. We'll do 5 videos in tier 3, and oh, I don't need to add it. There it is, the ads management in tier 7. This or tier 3. Jeez, I looked at 7,000 and said tier 7. In tier 3, this is what makes, you might be saying, well, why is it 7,000 in tier 3 and only 2,000 in tier 1? And that is this right here, the ads management, right? That's one of them. And the community access is going to be the other one, and the testing and optimization. So remember, the Da Vinci story I told in the beginning, right? It's not about Da Vinci charged 20,000 for that painting of that lady in 5 minutes, because it was the years that led up to be able to make him, to allow him to be able to do it that quickly with such just perfect strokes and beautifulness, right? The art of the art. And this is an art, building online businesses. And this is what I do, and this is what I can help you with. And it's years, because I've been doing this for 25 plus years, and I've made a lot of money. I don't like to brag about the money, but I've done it through motocross training that people said you can never be done. I've done it through more flow, less friction. Was able to build a crazy big audience that gets almost 1 million views a month. I can teach you that as well in this system. And the beautiful thing about this is you get me, not a freaking course. You get me in this sucker. You talk to me, right? It's not some course. No, you get, you don't have heart. You never see me. You don't get access to me. No, we jump on calls and we build this together. So if you're interested, let me know. If you're a local business, if you're a local entrepreneur, if you're just an entrepreneur, you want to build, you got a passion, you want to get out to the world. Maybe you already have it out there, but it's not doing that good. You can grab one of these systems and we will ramp that sucker up. If you're brand new, this also works. If you're brand new, we'll take your passion, build it around your passion to profit, I call it. And if you're a local business, we can help you uh, blow up your business, get tons of leads, more conversions, more sales, and in this I will throw in, uh, some AI systems that I built, voice AI and stuff like that, and we can talk about that once we get down the road of working together. But all right, hit me up, guys. I just wanted to show you that video, show how quickly this can be done with big peace and big love, more flow, less friction. Out, Scoob.